This is a Korean-made LG Smart TV used worldwide. It has a strange problem. Sometimes it turns on and sometimes it doesn't. I connected it to the power supply, but its power indicator light isn't turning on. And even the power switch given no response. So, to learn a unique repair technique, watch the short video until the end, otherwise you will miss a very valuable lesson. This motherboard is used in several LG TV sizes. Okay, now we try to find the fault. Here we have a true SMPS transformer. This one is for the TV's operating voltage and this one is for the backlight driver circuit. First, let's measure the TV's operating voltage. 18.43 volts at the cathode of the diode. This is fine. Now, let's check the backlight SMPS voltage. It shows only 0.002 volts. So, the backlight SMPS is definitely not working. Detecting this fault, the processor shuts down the TV for safety. That's why the power indicator is dead. So first, disconnect the AC line before taking resistance measurement. Look, the meter shows resistance even on the bare board space at the live line section. Multiple areas of this board are severely damp. To keep this board running long term, watch my 40-year proven method. Don't skip or you will miss this vital technique. Look, the copper tracks are damaged by oxidation. Thinner provide only a temporary fix. Over time it causes further board damage. To restore this board like new, carefully remove both SMPS transformer. Now pour clean water into a container. Add 2 teaspoons of high quality detergent powder. Mix it thoroughly using a brush. Don't worry at all, apply this mixture all over the board. Then scrub gently for 2 minutes. Now use a plastic bristle brush to clean the bottom of the board like this. Wow, the board is looking brand new again. Alright, now rinse it thoroughly with clean water. Dry the top side in the sun for an hour and the bottom side for half an hour. I kept the board in the sun for 3 hours. Look, both sides look brand new. Okay, now let's install the transformers. Finally, carefully fix any dry solder. Alright, let's power it up. Very good, the backlight is on. And we have graphics on the screen. Thank you very much.